and 3D graphics. So 3D is OpenGL, okay? So and also with the graphics program, so there are rich classes, there are rich packages, so in Java, so regarding graphics programming, okay? So that's why in Android, since the writing language of Android is Java, so basically we're inheriting. So most of the classes, most of the packages that is available in Java. Okay? So, and also we have the SQLite. Okay, what is this SQLite? Actually, if for example, your program requires database or requires data storage. Okay? So other than, let's say, you will store it on a notepad or text file, so you could use database in Android. So by using the SQLite. So SQL is another we know about SQL. So SQL is standard structured query language, right? So why Android do not use SQL? Why they develop the SQLite? So also SQL it's a way how we are going to manipulate the database. It's a way how we're going to create so a database, drop the table, create a table, drop the table, etc. So, bakit hindi mo SQL ang ginamit? Ba't kailangan mag-develop pa ng SQLite? So SQLite is an optimized version for Android phones. The second reason is that, the second reason is that SQL is prone to what we call SQL injection attack. Okay? So, on the security, let's say, if we're talking about the security, so if you will be using the SQL, so rather than the SQLite. So, SQL is prone to SQL injection attack. So, ano pong SQL injection attack? So, kung nagkaan kayo ng database, ano ito? So, halimbawa, ikaw may SQL na sa program mo. So, for me to be able to make a havoc or for me to be able to, let's say, let's say, do some other things on your database, so I could be able to kasi on the SQL, it accepts input from the user. So let's say ang input ko SQL din. So magkakaroon ng error dun sa program, dun sa SQL mo. So yung tinatawag ng SQL injection attack. So kung halimbawa yung system mo, mag-accept ng input and then dadaan sa SQL, so sa query, ang gagawin ko is instead of mag-input ako ng tamang input, ang input ko SQL. So, magkakaroon ng problema yung database mo yun. So, doon sa problem with the security of SQL. So, unlike in SQLite, walang SQLite, hindi pa sila nakapag-develop siguro ng SQLite injection attack. Doon yun. So, that's why on Android, so they're using SQLite rather than the SQL. Okay, so media support also. So media support. So we have support for let's say flash files. So we have support for videos, sounds, etc. So we could embed the videos, sounds, and flash files. Let's say for example we have some animation that we want to include on our application. So we could do that in Android. Okay, so it's because there are hundreds of supports. So there are hundreds of supports in terms of graphics, in terms of videos. So in terms of let's say sounds. So you could embed sounds in your games. Let's say for example, so something like that. So and also we have the GSM telephony, the messaging, the calling. So everything is available. So you could customize. So and then also with the Bluetooth, Edge, 3G, and Wi-Fi, all the connectivity. So it depends on the phone. So let's say if it has the Bluetooth connection, or if it has the Edge or 3G or Wi-Fi connection. Okay. So and also we have the camera, GPS, compass, and accelerometer. Actually, those things, so from GSM telephony up to rich development environment, so it's actually hardware dependent. So it will be based on the phone that you are using. So if they have that, let's say on the 3G, yeah? So if they have that, so and most of the phones naman meron camera, syempre, most of the smartphones, most of the Android-related phones, kahit nga hindi Android meron. Okay, so next.